Hi, welcome back to another lesson. Today, I'm going to give you some important information which is about been meaning come or gone. Before going to start, I would like to say one thing. If you are new, so please subscribe, like and share. And turn on the notification so you never miss any lesson when you upload. And I would like to add one thing more. If you want to speak like natives, I think this lesson is for you. So friends, let's get started. Friends, already have told you, my today's lesson is about been meaning come or gone. Here you see, been is often used as a past participle of come and go. So friends, my first example sentence is Jimmy has been to see us twice since Christmas. Okay? Here, been meaning come. And we can say Jimmy has come to see us twice since Christmas for the better understanding. Okay? But we don't use the sentence which is Jimmy has come to see us twice since Christmas in our daily English conversation. And native speakers generally use the sentence is Jimmy has been to see us twice since Christmas. Okay. So friends, I think you could understand clearly. So friends, my next example sentence is I haven't been to the theater for ages. Okay, here been meaning gone. So we can say I haven't gone to the theater for ages. Okay, I think you understood. So my third example sentence is have you ever been to Northern Ireland? Here, been meaning gone. So we can say to get better understood or to get better understanding, have you ever gone to Northern Ireland? So friends, I think you got it clearly. What have I tried to describe is about being in 3 sentences. Okay. Friends, here you see, note that been is only used for completed visits. Now, you will say compare. So my first example sentence is the postman has already been. Here you see been meaning gone. And this sentence meaning he has come and gone away again. Okay, so let's talk about the second sentence, which is Jane has been. So we can start verb. Here, been meaning come. So we can say Jane has come. So we can start verb. And this sentence meaning Jane has come and it is still here. Okay. So friends, my third example sentence is I've been to London 3 times this week. Here, been meaning come, and we can say I've come to London 3 times this week. Friends, here I'd like to say it's about I've. I've is a short form of I have. Okay. So, my last example for this lesson, which is where is Lucy? She's been to London. Here, been meaning gone. And we can say she's gone to London. Friends, here we see She's is a contraction or short form of she has. Okay. So friends, I think you got it clearly. It's about been, meaning come or gone. I think in this lesson you have seen many important things, and that will help to improve your English skills. And whenever you wanna use this word being in your daily conversation, I think this lesson will help you a lot. Okay. So friends, if you get some benefit in this lesson, and if you want to know more, or if you have any query, so friends, let me in the comment box. Okay. So friends, that's all for today. I'll be here with new another topic. Till then, bye bye.